Hi Rohini.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How's your health now?
I'm getting better. Last week I got checked again, so there is a lot of improvement in my health
Good,
recently.
good. So we've scheduled this call to talk a little bit about your performance, so that we can, chart out your next couple of weeks and couple of months, right? So I wanted to give you some
Good.
feedbacks and see what is going on and understand your feedback as well, right? So let's quickly start on that note, okay? So I want to
All right.
talk about your performance first. Could you just share your screen and open your portal once? Open your Newton School portal.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you see my portal?
Yes, perfect. Yes. Could you go to the timeline?
All right. Yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about your last module spreadsheet. Can you go to spreadsheets? Great. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can see here you have attended all the lectures. Pretty good job on that. Assignment percentage is also really good, and your module performance also seems very good. The module contest score is really good, right? Good job here, Rohini. I think you've been very consistent here. Okay, and I saw your
Yes,
project.
ma'am.
You got a 10. We'll discuss about that at the end. Good job on the project as well. You've made a really good dashboard. Really impressive. Okay, let's go to the current module SQL.
All right, ma'am. Yes.
Got it. Okay, so Rohini, I see that your lecture attendance has dipped a lot. What happened? What went wrong?
Yeah, so ma'am, actually recently there has been in my workplace, I'm getting a lot of pressure, I'm getting a lot of work. So I am facing a time management issue. I'm not able to attend the live lectures.
Okay, and because of that, have you
Yeah.
not been able to do assignments, or you didn't
Yeah.
understand in the initial
So
part also?
SQL is something that I have not, I don't know, right? This is something new I'm learning it. So I'm not able to understand this completely. Also, I am not able to attend the lecture. So there is some understanding gap for the assignment. So I was trying to attempt it, but I was not able to actually do it.
Got it. So let's try to work out on this, okay, Rohini? Can you tell me what is your current schedule? I mean, how does your day look like?
So what happened is there's some recent team structure changes. So my work hours goes till 8, and by 8:30 or 8:35 I reach home.
Got it.
And due to that I'm missing out on live sessions.
Got it. Okay. Got it. So we have done 12 lectures till now in SQL. Okay. So you've done around 30%. Okay. So I guess around 8 lectures would be remaining for you. Yeah, 7 to 8 lectures, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's try to figure out how are we going to cover the backlog first. Okay. You have 7 to 8 lectures. Coming weekend you have a off, right? Saturday and Sunday is a off, right? So you
Yes,
distribute
ma'am.
the lectures equally, Saturday and Sunday. Watch maybe 3 or 4 on Saturday and 3 or 4 on Sunday, right? And cover that up. Okay,
Or
would you be able to do that?
yes, ma'am. I will try to cover the most of it. I mean, out of it, even if doing six, so I think that will help me to cover a lot.
100%, and try to take up the subquery part and the joins lecture on Saturday. The reason being, if you come across any doubts, no, we have the TA sessions on Saturdays, so you can book a TA session and clear your doubts on Saturday itself.
All right, ma'am. Can you tell me at what time I can book the session?
Sure. So, TA sessions on Saturdays would be available around 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay. So, you can check for the slot available and book it.
All right, ma'am. I'll do that.
Got it. Coming to what should be done moving forward. So, Rohini, with what I see, you come back home around 8:45, 8:30, 8:45, right?
Yes,
Then you
ma'am.
would want to have your dinner and then probably would want to sit in the class, right? Uh,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
let me give you like a little free will here. You join the lecture at 9:15. Okay. You come back home, you have your dinner, okay, and then you join at 9:15. The first 15 minutes, whatever is getting missed, you can cover it up with the recorded session, right? You know where the recorded sessions are, right?
Right. Yes, ma'am.
Great, great. So you can cover
Yeah.
the 15 minutes up in the recorded section and try to join by 9:15 or 9:20, so that at least you will be able to make the most of the live lectures, right? Since this is SQL, this is
Yes.
new for you. I really don't want you to watch the entire session with recording. It will be preferable if you watch the live lectures in SQL. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'll try to work on the schedule that you have said.
Yeah, try this for a week. We will again connect, okay? And then you can tell me if it's working. If not, then we'll see what we can do. Okay? Works?
Sure, ma'am.
And since
Yeah.
you are at a 0% assignment, this week at least, I want you to do 10 questions. Okay? Now, why I'm saying that, Rohini, is because SQL is something where you need hands on. Okay? Otherwise, whatever concepts are being taught, you will never know if you're able to implement them well or not. Right?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So try to do 10 questions of assignments this week. That will bring you somewhere around 20% completion. Rest we will cover it slowly. Okay, I'll help you out in aligning what questions are more important. First, try to complete the 10 questions. Pick the first 3 4 questions from the first week of the lectures, where the basics were taught, right? And the next
Yes.
set of questions, the next 6 7 questions, pick it up from joins, inner joins and subqueries, so that you have some hands on while you're doing the lecture recordings. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, I'll try my best.
Great, great. Okay, Rohini, let's go to the leaderboard once.
All right. This, right?
Yeah. So, yeah, this one. Yeah. So right now you see Sri Vidya is on the top of the leaderboard in your batch this month. Probably you are down there somewhere because you've not done assignments on time this time, right? There were a few misses
Yes, ma'am.
and you did not get a chance to work on Arena. I would suggest in the next 2 weeks, let's try to cover the assignments first, and then we'll go for the Arena so that you can make your place back again in the leaderboard, right?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Rohini. So on that note, I wanted to just talk about your project a bit. Can you just share your screen and show your dashboard, the Excel dashboard that you've created?
All right. Just give me a minute.
Sure, sure.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
good job on the project, Rohini. Amazing project. I actually read the document also. I went through the slides as well, your presentation. This is very impressive. My team has given you a 10 on this. This is a good to go project from our end, okay? Now, what
Thank
I,
you.
yeah, good job, good job. Okay, so now what I want you to do is you can add this project on your LinkedIn so that the people who are hiring for the data analyst role, right, they can see the work that you've done using Excel. It will give you a better visibility, right, on the market, and people can reach out to you, right? Your reach is really important on LinkedIn right now. So what you need to do is just write a simple two-liner problem statement, then try to write in like a gist what you have done in the project, what were the steps you took, and just conclude with whatever business solutions you've come up with using this dashboard and the entire project, right? And just put a screenshot or an image of this dashboard there, right? I think that should do.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay,
Yes,
Rohini.
ma'am.
Great. So, Rohini, you were saying that, in your work life, there is, a little bit time management issue. Can you like tell me a little bit more about it? What is happening?
Yeah, so lately I have been asked been to do extra work, of course, and it is a lot of pressure nowadays. But this thing I'm not able to convey it to my manager because I feel a bit scared or maybe less confident in front of him. So I'm not able to tell him what exactly I'm feeling nowadays. So
Understood.
that's the, I guess, major problem.
Right. So, in the beginning of this entire journey of data science, right, I told you communication is the key, right? Yeah. So, I think you can see a tremendous growth in yourself in the last 2 months. Initially, you were not able to, talk to me also. Now, you are very confident and you are able to, convey things. You have given a mock interview also. So don't be afraid, don't be underconfident. Just see the milestones that you've crossed and try to reflect it in your workspace also. Okay, the confidence that you're building in this course, right? Try to reflect it in your workspace. Be open about things, talk to your manager maybe. Okay, try to at least put it on the table that you want some flexibility, or maybe just convey the problem. We'll see what he says, and then maybe we can discuss what solutions we can come up with, right? But first you have to be confident and communicate. There's nothing to be scared about. See, even I, when I started my journey in the corporate, I was really scared, and I used to be very subtle, and I didn't used to speak a lot. But now I am very confident, and I am able to talk to people and convey my things, right? So do that. There's nothing to be scared. You're doing really great, Rohini. Okay, so have confidence in yourself.
Okay.
It'll get sorted. Okay.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Nothing to worry about. Okay, so Rohini, is there any feedback from your side?
Yeah, I mean, I think I'll be able to. I know I have been missing out, but with your help, I think I'll be able to cope up. And can you, I just wanted to understand a little bit more about the placement, how it is going to look like, right?
Yeah.
When I clear all the modules and everything.
Sure. So, Rohini, once you complete all your modules in the DA phase, you will be sitting for the placement contest, and you'll have placement grooming sessions. Once you complete all the criterias that are meant for placements, right? Then we'll be sending you to placements, and you'll be starting with the DA phase referrals, right? And post that, you will start with Python, right? But first of all, Rohini, very important, please make sure you adhere to the deadlines. They're very important, right? Because I'll tell you something, if you are consistent in the course, you will get great outcomes. Sooner or later you will get outcomes if you're consistent. But if you're not consistent, I know life comes in the way, but if you're not consistent, then it's very difficult to get an outcome. Okay, though you invest lakhs or crores of money, or even more than that, even if you invest, the outcome, or cracking an interview or getting a job, is something which will only happen if you're consistently learning and your learning is great, right? So focus on that. You've been doing great. Do not miss out on the SQL part. Try to work on that. I think you will be sorted. Okay.
All right, ma'am. I will definitely, I'm going to try
Great.
my best now.
Great. Okay,
Yeah.
Rohini. All the best. Let's reconnect again. Give me your feedback on how the schedule goes. I'll just repeat the tasks for you. Okay. So you have to complete 10 questions this week. You have to complete your 8 pending lectures, and you have to try and work on the schedule that we have planned on the live classes, right? And try to post this
Yes.
dashboard on your LinkedIn. And I'll also help you with the reach. Share me the link once you have posted. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. I will do that.
Great. Okay, Rohini. All the best. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye.